Hello guys, welcome back to $10 Investor. Today I'm going to tell you about investment mistakes I made in my early days. When I started long back ago, in around 2014-15, I started investing on stock market. But this not as a, I go along with my education. I started after completion of my education. I started investing a little bit heavy, it would be like 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. Around I invested 4 lakhs in stock market. Everything is structured in stock market right now. Before going to the topic, make sure you subscribe button like this one, share this video. Don't be a bad investor. Why you should be don't be a bad investor? You need to invest in a stock with the proper research knowledge. These are the mistakes I done in my early life. I investing without a knowledge, without any knowledge. I invested blindly in some stocks like Reliance Communication. Mm. Another like investing without a research, without analytics. We have to do when you're investing any particular stocks, we have to keep in mind when we are investing we have to go deep into the particular stock. There are so many websites are there. They can show you the history of that particular company. I want to tell you there is two companies present. You're showing it. One is Tele, one is mm, one is energy development company, one is power. There are two power sectors. One is energy development and one is Reliance Communication. Energy development, way back I invested. Why I invested in these companies with basic, not in less than with like a blindly invested. And why I invested, I will tell you that. At the time when I invested, when I have a energy development stock, at the time the company is not that big, but I invested blindly actually, the company price would be li- like when I invested in the company price would be like 48 rupees. In 48 rupees, what I did is I invested stock over here. I invested stock market along when the company price is around 38 rupees or 35 rupees. But the why I purchase in that particular price range is when I want to invest on particular income for money, that all-time highest of this company is one that's like a 200 rupees something change. All-time list is 7 rupees. After investing that particular 35 rupees, it gained to 38 rupees and it went back to 7 rupees. And I invested this in amount like 2017-18. Now the price is regained back. Now I'm making little bit profit from last 4 years because is I didn't think it was a good profit. Why? Because it was a 2 3 years later I invested 60K and now it was I invested something around 41K around that. Now it was like 60K. But if you calculate like interesting, we are in a loss, but we don't care about that if we are in learning stage. This is the way I I kept so many. I invested so many stocks. I closed it in a 10,000. When I invested 50,000 also, I closed that stocks in a 10,000, 20,000 stock minus also. Now I'm going to tell you about the Arcom. This is the worst stock I took in my life, like Arcom and Era Infra. And one more thing is I didn't remember, like Landco Infra. When I purchased Lanka Infra, the price is 5 rupees. Now the price is 2 rupees or something, less than 1 rupee. And Arcom price when I purchased it 48 rupees. Then the present price is 4 rupees or something change. This is the way we are going to lose the money. We have to do deep and one more like a investor 1 lakh 60 on Era Infra. That one also it was not that company stock was delisted at that time. I don't know why this is a scheme cost scam. At that time they did is they every day I started to invest on that company 50 paisa. They increased the price like every day. It was improving 2 rupees to at every day I put the like a I tried to take that particular stuff, but unfortunately, it was not growing anyway. It was growing, but I'm not getting bit. That's what I invested in 4 rupees, somewhere around 4 is. But today the stock is delisted. I lost that money. I don't know when it will come out. This is the way my total portfolio of 4 lakhs is in debt. Like in that 4 lakhs, I got only 68,000 recovery because of energy development. This is the mistakes I did in my investment strategies, investment plans. Okay, yeah. My tip for you in this video is just invest on good company which has good revenue at the same time less debit. Every company has a debit, but you calculate that they have to have good revenue around 10 to 20% every year income, and they don't have any debits like a long term debits like a, they have some companies are like a one company is like a 10,000 crore, they have a like a 9,000 crores 8,000 crores in debit. If you invest that company, or sometimes they may lose, they may they may lose company, they may uh, it, it may impact you anywhere anytime. That's why Reliance Reliance Industry got they cut down every debit, they sold most of its stake on a Reliance Industry Limited. Now the stay Reliance Industry price was around 2,000 rupees, 2,000 something around that. This is the way I lost my money. Now I'm aware of everything. Now I don't want to lose any money in stock market, but I learned many things. I recommend you 1 week. After losing this stock. Started reading many books. It make a habit if you want to invest. Just in learn just read some few investment books. I recommend you. One book is one book I didn't one book is there which Warren Buffett recommends, Intelligent Investor. In description, I'll give a link if you want to buy. Just go through book or once, twice, thrice. After that, you have to invest on stock market. Without it will give. I don't tell you it will help you to gain money. It will give an idea how to invest on a stock market. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe this channel and click like button and share this video in social media. Follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you. Have a nice day.